What's up, Tech Fam? Today we're talking about the most anticipated phone of the year, Samsung's brand new Galaxy S25 Ultra. This beauty has just been announced, and let me tell you, it's got some jaw-dropping features. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or just want the most futuristic phone in your hand, this one's for you. So stick around because I'm breaking down everything you need to know: features, release date, pricing, and of course, why it's worth your money. Alright, let's kick things off with the design. Samsung has stepped it up this time with a titanium frame. Yep, titanium, making it stronger and more premium than ever. The back is matte finished, and it just feels like luxury in your hand. And let's talk about the display. Samsung nailed it again. You're looking at a massive 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with Quad HD Plus resolution. Translation: it's insanely crisp and bright, perfect for binge watching or gaming. Oh, and get this, the brightness peaks at 2600 nits, so even if you're outside in direct sunlight, this thing looks stunning. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It's Samsung's first 3nm processor, which basically means it's faster, more power efficient, and handles AI tasks like a boss. Whether you're running multiple apps, editing 4K videos, or gaming, this phone will crush it. And let's not forget the storage. Options go all the way up to 1 TB with 12 GB of RAM. You'll have more than enough room for your photos, apps, and, let's be real, those TikTok drafts. Now this is where the Galaxy S25 Ultra shines, the camera setup. Samsung's sticking with their 200-megapixel main sensor, and trust me, the results are insane. You'll capture every tiny detail, even in low light. They've also upgraded the ultra-wide lens to 50 megapixels, so your landscape shots are sharper than ever. Oh, and let's talk zoom. With 2 telephoto lenses, one for 3x zoom and the other for 10x optical zoom, you can take crazy clear photos from a distance. Imagine capturing the moon, or your favorite band at a concert. Oh, and selfies? The 12-megapixel front camera has you covered for Instagram perfection. Battery life is always a concern, right? Well, Samsung's got you. The S25 Ultra comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which Samsung claims can last up to 31 hours of video playback. That's basically binging an entire series in one sitting. And when it's time to charge, you've got 45-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging, so even if you forget to plug it in overnight, you'll be good to go after a quick charge. The S25 Ultra runs One UI 7 built on top of Android 15. Samsung added some killer AI features this year. There's Galaxy AI, which acts like your personal assistant, summarizing your day, reminding you about meetings, and even suggesting routes to avoid traffic. Oh, and I love this one, the audio eraser. Say you record a video with tons of background noise, it'll automatically clean up the audio for you. How cool is that? Samsung didn't just make this phone gorgeous, they made it tough. With Gorilla Glass Armor 2 on the front and back, and an IP68 rating, it's resistant to dust and water. You could drop it in a puddle or get caught in the rain, and this baby will keep on going. So when can you get your hands on it? Pre-orders are open right now, and the official release date is February 7th, 2025. Prices start at $1,299 for the 256GB version, and go up if you want more storage. Samsung's even offering some exclusive colors if you order online. Think titanium jade green and jet black. Fancy, right? So, what's the verdict? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a beast. It's got a stunning design, incredible cameras, blazing fast performance, and features that actually make your life easier. If you're someone who wants the absolute best in tech, this is the phone to beat in 2025. But hey, don't just take my word for it. What do you think? Are you picking up the S25 Ultra, or are you sticking with your current phone? Drop a comment below. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and share it with your friends who might be eyeing the S25 Ultra. Until next time, stay tech savvy.